Hello, I'm Alex and this is the Time Traveller's Kitchen. I'm going to be doing a very simple recipe today called Cider Bullets or Flits. And these are from a very early period in history, around 14th century, but were enjoyed all the way through to the Tudor period and later on. And it's very similar to a kind of donut in base, which is fried in good oil. So I've just got the range going, and hopefully that oil will get hot enough. So to start off with, going to want an apple. They want to rough chop the apple. So we've got some chunks, roughly chunked apple, and we'll put that straight into the bowl. And then we want some walnuts as well. And again, just roughly chop the walnuts. Yeah, a few more. I like walnuts, I'm going to add some more. There we go. And then we want some spices. A little cracked nutmeg and a little bit of cinnamon. We shall add that over the top. And to that, we're going to add some flour. And this is refined flour, finely bolted. So we'll give that a bit of a mix. And then to that, we're going to add some cider. And we mix that up into a thick batter. Need just a little bit more. That should be about right. Okay, so I'm going to just put a little bit in just to see if how the oil's doing. Oh, it's not bad actually, it's nearly there. Take a gobbet of the mix, which will be a mouthful of the mix, and we'll just drop that into the hot oil. You want to fry them until they're a nice golden brown. So anyway, these fritters are done, and then once they're cooked and they're plated up, you drizzle them with honey. This is what I tentatively call the money shot.